China has unveiled the world's first manned flying saucer, an extraordinary creation from Shenzhen UFO flying saucer technology. True to its name, this bizarre contraption is designed to resemble a UFO, leading many to mistake it for an alien spacecraft. However, despite its futuristic appeal, there are no passenger seats, making the flight strictly solo. The saucer can rise to a height of up to 200 meters and reach a horizontal flight speed of up to 50 kilometers per h. While this may seem like a glimpse into the future of transport, there are concerns about its safety and sustainability, especially given reports of the vehicle being difficult to control and vulnerable to strong winds. However, the sight of a flying saucer hovering outside your window will probably amaze your neighbor more than the latest Cybertruck. During a recent exercise in Chongqing, a new drone designed to extinguish fires in high-rise buildings was demonstrated. Developed by General Aviation Equipment Manufacturing, the drone is one of the first specifically designed to fight fires at high altitudes. The drone boasts fast deployment, reaching an altitude of 200 meters in just 30 seconds. It is designed to work in difficult conditions, such as hard-to-reach areas where traditional fire extinguishing methods are ineffective. Capable of carrying up to 1,000 gallons, about 3,785 liters, of water, this drone provides a significant advantage in fighting high-altitude fires. However, despite its impressive capabilities, it also has some disadvantages. The drone's size and weight can make it difficult to maneuver in tight spaces, and its large water capacity can reduce flight time, potentially limiting its effectiveness in long firefighting operations. Despite these challenges, this drone represents a significant advance in modern firefighting technology. Chinese company Yihang has repurposed its air taxi into an advanced firefighting drone. The new Yihang firefighting multicopter is based on the passenger air taxi and is specially designed to fight fires in high-rise buildings, where traditional firefighting methods are often slow and difficult to use. This innovative drone is equipped with a 150-liter tank filled with firefighting foam and a long-range water cannon. Above the cockpit is a launcher containing 6 fire-extinguishing bombs, each equipped with sharp, hardened tips designed to penetrate windows at high speed. For precise targeting, the drone is equipped with a laser designator and an onboard video surveillance system. The drone is designed to operate semi-autonomously and is capable of flying autonomously from the fire station to the scene of the fire. However, the fire extinguishing process itself is controlled by the operator. Yihang claims that this multicopter can effectively extinguish fires in skyscrapers up to 600 meters high, covering a radius of 5 kilometers from its base station. While the drone marks a significant advance in firefighting technology, there are concerns about its practicality. The 150-liter foam tank can limit the duration and scope of firefighting efforts, and semi-autonomous operation raises questions about the reliability of remote control in difficult urban environments. Despite these challenges, Yihang's firefighting drone represents a bold step forward in emergency response technology. During a presentation in Yunfu, Jiangsu Digital Eagle Technology demonstrated its SKXF-07 drone, which successfully extinguished a fire on the penultimate floor of a 10-story building. Specifically designed for fighting fires in high-rise buildings, this drone is equipped with several advanced features that make it a powerful tool in firefighting. The SKXF-07 has a maximum takeoff weight of 40 kilograms and can carry a payload of up to 20 kilograms at a cruising speed of 10 meters per second. It is equipped to carry up to 4 fire-extinguishing bombs, each of which is capable of penetrating tempered glass up to 12 millimeters thick. These bombs release dry powder that covers an area of up to 36 cubic meters, effectively extinguishing fires without posing a safety risk. Designed for use in situations where traditional firefighting methods, such as ladders, are not suitable due to the height of the building, the SKXF-07 Pro drone provides rapid delivery of fire-extinguishing agents to the source of the fire. This not only reduces response times but also improves firefighter safety by minimizing the need to enter hazardous areas. Flight Test has developed the Firecopter, a multifunctional Y6 drone equipped with a fire extinguisher for aerial firefighting. This unique drone is a 6-rotor device capable of maneuvering into hard-to-reach places and extinguishing fires that are inaccessible to ground fire crews. When developing the firefighting helicopter, special attention was paid to safety and rapid response to emergency situations. Thanks to its design, the drone can deliver a fire extinguisher directly to the source of a fire using a variety of fire extinguishing methods, including powder and foam. The Firecopter's ability to extinguish fires from the air makes it an indispensable tool for fighting fires in urban and open spaces. We've told you about drones that fight fires, but what about a drone that can start them? Introducing the TF-19 drone, a device that is essentially a specialized flamethrower and can be mounted on a variety of drone models, such as the DJI-S1000 or DJI-M600. The TF-19 can throw a stream of fire up to 7.5 meters. The injector holds up to 1 gallon of fuel, approximately 3.8 liters. With a full tank, the flamethrower can operate continuously for up to 100 seconds. The device is made from ultra-lightweight 3K carbon fiber for a durable yet lightweight design. While the TF-19 Wasp may seem extreme, it serves several practical purposes, especially in firefighting and related fields. For example, it can be used to conduct controlled burns for vegetation control, a vital method of preventing large wildfires by controlled destruction of combustible materials. In addition, TF-19 is effective for quickly melting snow over large areas or in places difficult to reach by traditional methods. However, due to the nature of this device, its use is strictly regulated. In the United States, operating such a drone requires a license and approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, reflecting the potential risks involved. Additionally, despite its unique capabilities, the TF-19 operates on flammable fuels and open flames, requiring careful operation to avoid unintentional fires, especially in areas with dense vegetation or dry conditions. Despite these challenges, the TF-19 Wasp is a versatile tool for specialized applications in both firefighting and environmental protection. Advanced AI Solutions has developed the AAIS fire suppression system, which includes unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, to fight ground fires. These drones are equipped with advanced technologies that enhance their ability to quickly detect and extinguish fires, providing fire crews with critical real-time data. Their autonomous operation reduces the risk to firefighters by allowing the drones to operate independently in hazardous environments. Equipped with thermal imaging cameras, these drones can detect fires up to 5 miles away, even in difficult conditions such as fog, smoke, or rain. Built-in artificial intelligence processes data in real time to help coordinate firefighting efforts and optimize the use of resources. A key feature of the AAIS system is the ability to directly extinguish fires. Each drone is equipped with a tank that holds up to 12 kilograms of fire extinguishing powder, which is sprayed using a quick-release system to effectively extinguish small fires. This allows drones to quickly respond to emerging fires, potentially preventing larger fires from starting. Write in the comments which of the firefighting drones shown in this video impressed you the most, and whether the flying saucer-shaped aircraft surprised you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Carwins channel. Also, watch our previous videos. And Carwins was with you. See you next time.